Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. Now we have this sum. We have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Here LHS is sec 8 theta minus 1 divided by sec of 4 theta minus 1. I will be starting with LHS first, and here RHS is equal to tan 8 theta divided by tan square tan 2 theta. Here we will be taking LHS, so LHS will be equal to sec of 8 theta minus 1 divided by sec of 4 theta minus 1. We'll be converting sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos of theta from the reciprocal formulas. So we get here 1 upon cos of 8 theta. Here with sec theta coefficient is 1, so here also coefficient is 1. As here it is 8, so the 8 will come here also. So 1 upon cos of 8 theta minus 1 divided by 1 upon cos of 4 theta minus 1. Now we will be cross multiplying by cos of 8 theta in numerator and in denominator by cos of 4 theta. So we'll be getting 1 minus cos of 8 theta divided by cos of 8 theta completely divided by 1 minus cos of 4 theta divided by cos of 4 theta. Here we know that 1 minus cos of 2 theta is equal to 2 sine square theta. Yeah, so we substitute value for 8 theta, so we get 1 minus cos of 8 theta is equal to 2 sine square of 4 theta. Here theta will become half, so we'll be getting a 4 theta. And similarly for 1 minus cos of 4 theta, we'll be getting 2 sine square 2 theta. So we'll be substituting the further values in this equation. So we have 2 into sine square 4 theta divided by cos of 8 theta completely divided by 2 into sine square 2 theta divided by cos of 4 theta. Now see, as per the rule, this will shift in this denominator and this last term will multiply by numerator. So we'll be having, I will write it here, so 2 sine square 4 theta into cos of 4 theta divided by 2 sine square 2 theta into cos of 8 theta. Here we can write 2 sine theta in sine of 4 theta into cos of 4 theta into sine of 4 theta completely divided by 2 sine square 2 theta into cos of 8 theta. Here this 2 into sine of theta into cos theta, that is 4 theta into 4 cos of 4 theta, will be equal to sine of 8 theta. It is a trigonometric formula of sine of 2 theta into sine of 4 theta completely divided by cos of 8 theta into 2 sine square 2 theta. Now further we will be substituting the value for sine 4 theta. We'll be getting sine 4 theta is equal to sine of 2 theta into cos of 2 theta, and this sine 8 theta upon cos of 8 theta will become tan of 8 theta. So further here 2 into sine of 2 theta into cos of 2 theta completely divided by 2 into sine of 2 theta into sine of 2 theta. Here sine 1 sine 2 theta will get cancelled and 2 will be getting cancelled here, and this cos 2 theta divided by sine 2 theta, that is equal to cot of theta, and cot of 2 theta will be equal to 1 upon tan theta from the reciprocal formula. So tan of 8 theta divided by tan of 2 theta will be our final answer. Friends, we have minute correction in this sum. Here it should be 2 of tan of 8 theta divided by tan of 2 theta. Here this 2 is cancelled from here only, so here the 2 value wouldn't come, and after multiplying we have to divide it by 2. So here 2 term will come, as this sine of 4 theta will get converted into 2 sine of 2 theta into cos of 2 theta. Here I have cancelled, here I have multiplied by 2 again. So our final answer will be 2 into tan of 8 theta divided by tan of 2 theta, and here in the given question it should be 2 into tan of 8 theta divided by tan of 2 theta. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. Thank you.